stream, guys, or another stream, should I say? Um, so today we're gonna be doing some math. I mean, like, yeah, no way, couldn't believe that. From Mile, got a math exam tomorrow, so gotta make sure I actually do good in it. Would be nice, wouldn't it? So we have my iPad, and you're gonna be wondering, oh, how enough are you gonna show on your PC? Oh, I call air mirroring. Do not care that there's a high latency. Hopefully, people who join the stream maybe have a clue what's going on. But yeah, today we're doing a past paper. So yeah, let's go. Work out the value of 1.5 squared. So that's just 1.5 times 1.5, which equals to 2.25. Moving on. Complete this number machine so that y equals 4x plus 5. So we do times 4 and then plus 5. Complete this number machine so that y equals 3x minus 24. It's going to be 8 because they're going to also times x, but they're also going to times 8, and 8 times negative 8, by the way. Make sure it's negative because look, negative, not minus, not plus, so it has to be negative 8. Complete this number machine so that y equals x. Just divide by 6 to go back to its original roots. Each number in a list is increased by 10. Tick one box for each statement. Okay, guys, you might not know this, but I'm just gonna say it off the ban rip. I suck complete ass at math. I cannot do math for the life of me, and I will be very happy when I finish paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 with a somewhat decent grade. So each number in a list is increased by 10, yeah. The mode is increased by 10, the median is increased by 10, and all the range is increased by 10. I have no idea. Moving on. Write the missing term in the geometric sequence. So 1, 4. So we gotta figure out what's 16 times 16. Now keep in mind this is a non-calculated paper, so I'm doing this all manually myself. 96, then 6, 5, 256. What? That's not how math works, right? Times 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 6. Was it asking for 16 times 4 instead? 6 times... What the hell's my iPad doing? 6 times 4 is 24. And then 64. Oh, the 64 times 4 is 256. Yeah, it has to be 64. I'm tripping. Moving on. A Fibonacci type sequence begins with 5 and then negative 9. The sequence is continued by adding the 2 previous terms. Work out the next 2 previous terms. Okay. Fibonacci sequence is when you add the current number with the previous number. So let's say you do negative 9 plus 5. That number would be, using some quick math, negative 4. So now, since you have negative 4, you do negative 4 plus negative 9. See kind of how it's done there? So negative 4 plus negative 9 is negative 13, and those are your 2 answers. Here is a solid prism. How many faces does the prism have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just counting it for you so you know I'm not being stupid. Also, that looks actually terrible. Make that neater. Okay, it doesn't want to. Cool. Is there even anyone watching? Wow, not a single soul. Great. Next. The prism has a volume of 3,500 centimeters cubed and a length of 20 centimeters. Work out the area of the cross section of the prism. Mother chuff. Man, I don't know. I can't be asked. Can't take this, man. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Okay. We'll just skip that for now, to be fair. Work out 1 over 1/5, take away 3 over 10, give your answer as a fraction. Okay, well, so it's going to be 6/5, take away 3/10. You can do keep, flip, change, so, or keep, change, flip, or whatever you want to do. KCF, KFC, you get the point. So, 6/5 times 10 over 3. 60 over 15. Question mark? Or is that we have to make this the same size, so we times these two numbers by 2, so it'd be 12 over 10, take away 3 over 10, and that would equal 9 over 10. I don't know which one it is. I'm dumb, guys. A large circle and a small circle are shown. The radius of the large circle is 12 centimeters. The radius of the large circle, the radius of the small circle. Work out the shaded area. Well, if we know the radius of the 12 centimeter circle is if we know the radius of the large circle to small circle is 4 to 1, and the large circle radius is 12, that means it's gotta be 4 times smaller for the small circle. So 4 is 12 divided by 4, so that's 3 centimeters. Also, if by the way no one's joining, I'm ending stream. Make sure someone chats so I actually have someone to talk to. Yeah, I'm watching chat, by the way. So, yeah. You've got a 1 viewer. 1 whole viewer, guys. Appreciate it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. So what you need to do to find the area, you need to do pi r squared. So that means you have to do pi times 3 squared. Don't correct it now. What the frick is what? Okay. That should be better. So that would mean it is 9 pi. Then 12 squared equals 144. Times that by pi, you get 144 pi. 144 pi minus 9 pi . 5 pi right there. You got 135 pi left. So that's the shaded area. See how smart I am, guys? In this part, assume that each person works at the same rate. 10 people can complete a job in 9 hours. If 15 people work on the same job, how many hours will it take to complete the job? So that means each person there takes 0.9 hours a person. 0.9 hours equal 1 person. If you did 15 times 0.9, you would You would, yeah. So you do 15 times 0.9. Well, we can actually just do. Let's just make it easy. So if it's 2.7 hours equal 3 people, we can just do 2.7 times 5. Be 13.5 hours if it was 10 people. I mean 15 people. So you do 13.5 minus 9, and it would be 4.5 hours. Just when you think of it, it could have been done a lot simpler, but my way still works. Next. In fact, of the 15 people, 6 people work at a slower rate and 9 people work at a faster rate. Sorry. What does this mean about the number of hours it will take to complete the job? Is greater than the answer to A. Is the same as the answer to A. Is less than the answer to A. Or it is not possible to say. It's not possible to say because you can't tell how efficiently the fast workers are and the slow workers are, so it's impossible to compare. See my ultimate ball knowledge, even though I said I'm bad at math. Don't worry, if I try to do some question like this one, no, that one, what the frick is this? I have no idea. Okay, is there actually anyone here? Wow, 0 viewers. Okay, cool. How long have I been streaming for? Like 10 minutes? Just how long have I actually been streaming for? Let's find out. Let's go quickly check the stream. It says I have 1 viewer watching. Great. 1 whole viewer. But it's so sad it doesn't even want to work. Let me turn off screen mirroring real quick. Let me try watch now. Okay, it's because I was screen mirroring. But I've been streaming for over 13 minutes and we haven't not even got a single chat. I think I got a way that we can make this work. Hold on, people. Woohoo. I'm actually bored. Don't open YouTube music. God damn. Come on now. If no one chats in the next 10 seconds, I'm shutting stream off. There and done. Oh, I already had Discord open. Okay. Also, by the way, if you're considering about joining Discord server, please do. It'd be nice. This is my amazing server. Hang on, just gonna ping my Jozo fans real quick. Jozo fans, nobody has been on the stream yet. If that stays the case in 5 minutes, I'm shutting stream off and no stream on weekends. I love threatening my fan base. That's a joke, by the way. 5 minutes. Alright, let's see them roll in, boys. But I gotta chat in my live stream. have still one whole viewer. But anyway, that's beside the matter. Where's the folder at? I mean files. So let's maybe try to do this abomination of a question, because I have I said pen on. No idea. I need like my very good friend. He knows how to do math, but I don't have him because he's on his own doing his own bloody revision. So I can't do nothing. They got under 4 minutes now. Let's just go back up to where I was and do like some other questions real quick. Not that far up though. We did this one, we did that one. A2 plus 1 3b equals 5 over 20. Work out the values of A and B. Well, 3 times 6 equals 18 plus 2 equals 20. So that means 18 must equal B. That definitely was not my dad. Next. And then A can just be 4 because 4 plus 1 equals 5. So 4 equals A. If I'm not wrong, at least this should be correct, but knowing my chances, anything can happen. Clive owns 2 coffee shops, A and B. 18 people use both. 46% use shop A, and 2/5 of people use shop B only. Oh, by the way, out of 150 people, that's key facts. Complete the Venn diagram. Okay, 18 for both, so it goes in the middle. 40% of people use shop A, but it doesn't also say if they also use shop B as well, so we've got to keep that in mind. Shop B, sorry. And then 2/5 only use shop B, so key information. If we do 150 divided by 5, you get 30. 30 times 2 is 60, so 60 people only use shop B. Shop B only, as it says. So if you did 150 divided by 100, you get 1.5, and that equals 1%. Then 15 equals 10%. 7.5 equals 5%, I believe. So then if you do 15 times 4, 15, 30, 45, get 60 plus 7.5, so you got a funny number plus 5, I'm not saying it. And then you do add the 1.5 2 times, so it'd be plus 1.5 plus 1.5, so it would then be 70. Would it be 70? No. But how is it decimal though? Surely I've gone wrong somewhere. That's because it's only 1. And not a single person chatted. So I'm just going to finish this question and we're going to rock it up. Why do I think it said 47%? She blind. So it'd be actually 16. God. Alright, so now 150 I love the fact that this all is working out, but I did it my own way. Let's take away 60, so that's already down to 90. Take away 69. Sorry, 8, 10, so 1, and then 21, and then out of 18, 1 there, 11, 0, then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 4 people use none. And that's where we'll leave it off today. I say I'm quite satisfied with the short progress that we made during this somewhat less chaotic stream. I blame people for not chatting, because then I would have been streaming for longer. And I even have no viewers just to show for it. I'd see how it is. I wonder the only reason why people aren't in is because today I didn't have any more like animal photos on my camera roll. I need to get some from my phone to get it for the live streams, but no one joined today. So yeah, very interesting. Okay, well,